The leaf springs act as detents to lock the gear shift selector in place. There is one on each side of the gear selector, and they lock into notches in the housings. Usually, the leaf springs are replaced simply because they are lost when disassembling the drill during other repairs. Occasionally, a spring can break after many years of use. Replacing the leaf spring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear cover. Next, the side cover. I'll remove 2 of the screws that secure the transmission to the housing. And now I can separate the housing. With the housing removed, now I can remove the selector. I'll slightly lift the motor and gearbox assembly away from the housing and pull the selector away from the transmission. As I do this, I want to be careful that I don't lose the 2 small springs on the back side of the selector. Now remove the old leaf springs. And install the new ones. And this assembly is ready to go back into the drill. As I install the selector, I need to make sure that I align the post on the transmission with the gap between the 2 springs. And now I'll reinstall the housing. And now reinstall the rear cover. And that's all it takes to install new leaf springs in your cordless drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.